Hello everyone and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets on Friday 4th of January. Let's have a look at dollar yen, which has been a volatile number to say the least in the last few sessions. Obviously that big flash crash saw a sell off to 104.95 area, rebounding 300 pips from that low to where we sit around at the moment. Now, I spoke yesterday about the fact that the overhead supply around about that 108.10 mark of that old May low could be a factor, and it seems to be sort of that's where around we're trading at the moment. Rebound high of 108.45 today, and it's sort of still in a process of settling, I think, this market, but it's interesting that the market is sort of again still negatively configured underneath a whole range of support really that we've seen in recent weeks. The breakdown below 109.75 was a key move. Also, as I said, 108.10 becomes that now, I suppose, a near-term sell zone for this recovery. And look at this, the negative configuration that we have on momentum is still incredibly large. Now, what we do see also is the tick higher in momentum indicators on a near-term basis, and that's certainly the stochastics is the reason behind that is the calculation of the range low from yesterday of 104.96 was sort of 300 pips from that low. So subsequently, we do see the stochastics ticking higher, more so on a technicality than anything else, I think. And the fact is that I wouldn't be necessarily trusting that as a buy signal if it did come through. So I think any sort of unwinding move is still going to be seen as a chance to sell. I think that risk appetite is still erring towards the negative, and I think the yen will continue to remain an outperformer in that environment. So subsequently, I think that dollar yen remains under pressure, and little rallies are a chance to sell. So we've got today's high of 108.45 initial resistance, and then 108.70 was a minor reaction low on Wednesday, below 109.50. In terms of support, you're looking at sort of 107.40, 106.75 area. So there's a few bits of near-term support, but yeah, in terms of relying on that, I wouldn't necessarily take that, and you'd see that the market is going to be moving quite a lot, possibly on the payrolls reports. Certainly, given the recent volatility, you could see a bit of a reaction there. But obviously, Jerome Powell, Fed chair, this afternoon is going to be a focus for markets as well. So lots to drive dollar yen this afternoon, and I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.